Shandong Yuyun SANHE Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of ventilation, cooling, and heating equipment. The factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters and has more than 180 employees. The company strictly executes international quality standards, has passed ISO Quality Management System certification, and products has obtained CE and RO certificate. The company has a professional foreign trade team to service customers with its professional ability and has a strong technical team. All products are designed from drawings to proofing and then to the drawings to ensure that the product defect rate is zero. The company has full set of CNC production equipment and precision molds. The accuracy is higher than the industry standard. The main processing equipments include flatting machine, laser cutting machine, shearing machine, punching machine, bending machine, punching press, protection net welding machine, plastic injection line, hydraulic automatic pipe bending machine, fan blades dynamic balancing machine, welding machine, plastic injection molding machine, plastic extruder, aluminum magnesium alloy die casting machine, CNC lathe, square tube laser cutting machine, and cooling pad production machine. More than 95% components are produced by ourselves, which is more conducive to control quality and reduce cost to produce the most cost-effective products in the world. First-class design and development team, rigorous quality control department, escort for product quality. The company always adheres to the principle of honesty, quality wins the market, and strives to become the industry leader.